NCP leader Eknath Khadse and Maharashtra Minister Bachchu Kaddu claimed separately on Friday to have contracted coronavirus infection for a second time. Khadse, a former minister who is admitted to Bombay Hospital here, announced that result of his COVID-19 test has come out positive. He said, "I was admitted in November last year for the same infection. I have tested positive again. I am feeling fine," he said. Minister of State for Water Resources Bachchu Kaddu also made a similar announcement. He had tested positive for the infection in last September. He said, "I have tested COVID-19 positive for the second time. I am currently in isolation. Those who have come in contact with me, please get tested." Meanwhile, sources close to Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole said he has isolated himself as two people who worked in his office have tested positive for the virus. Days after Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi, the General Officer Commanding-in-Chief of the Army's Northern Command, said that India has not ceded any land to China and that at least 45 Chinese soldiers were killed in clashes at Galwan Valley, the Chinese government-affiliated media agency Shen Shiwei released a propaganda video of the clash between Indian Army and the People's Liberation Army troopers in June last year. The 1.5-minute video posted on Shen Shiwei's official Twitter account shows scores of Indian and Chinese soldiers skirmishing in a water body reportedly located in Ladakh's Galwan Valley. Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh is indisposed and unlikely to attend Saturday's meeting of the Niti Aayog's Governing Council to be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. State Finance Minister Manpreet Singh Badal will attend the meeting in his place. The Niti Aayog's Governing Council meets regularly. This will be the 6th meeting of the government think tank's apex body. The Punjab Chief Minister is indisposed and is likely to skip the Niti Aayog meeting. The State Finance Minister will attend in his place, sources close to Singh have said. A popular CBSE school in Chennai landed in controversy after a question paper termed the farmers who protested against the farm laws during the Republic Day tractor rally as miscreants and violent maniacs. The phrase was used in a politically charged question in a Class 10 exam paper and was framed in letter to an editor format as part of the English language and literature paper in the second revision exam held at DAV Boys School, News Minute reported on Friday. E. Sridharan, popularly known as the Metro Man of India, on Friday said that he was opposed to the notion of love jihad because he has seen Hindu girls in Kerala being tricked into marriage. His comments came a day after he is set to join the BJP and contest as a candidate for the Kerala Assembly election scheduled to be held in April-May. Sridharan's comments come at a time when there is a debate around the love jihad law and BJP-led state governments of UP and Madhya Pradesh have outlawed the convergence by fraud, coercion or marriage.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in and be up to date with the latest news.